For decades, millions of families across Latin America have relied on Bayer's Aspirina for everyday aches and pains. Now, it's available right here in the United States, helping families access a familiar product that they need. And joining us to discuss from Bayer is Dr. Natalia Serrano. Good morning, doctor. How are you this morning?
Good morning, Elliot. I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good, and I'm sure a lot of our viewers are going to be thrilled to hear this. They're going to be well used to it. So what does the arrival of Aspirina in the U.S. mean for families, especially those in underserved communities?
So data shows that 70% of Hispanic consumers feel a strong connection to their country of origin, which really makes it essential for brands to honor and reflect this sentiment. You know, many U.S. consumers of Hispanic origin grew up with Bayer's Aspirina. Their parents, their grandparents relied on it, and Bayer Aspirin is a trusted brand. So as the Hispanic population in the U.S. continues to grow, currently representing 19% of the population and projected to reach 28% by 2060, Bayer Aspirin recognizes the importance of connecting with this vibrant Hispanic community.
What are some of the factors you feel that would help someone make a choice when it comes to pain relief?
So as a Bayer Medical Affairs employee, I know patients want options that are safe, that are effective, that are accessible to them where they live and work. And I'm very proud to represent Bayer Aspirin because we invented modern aspirin 125 years ago, and it is the most trusted aspirin brand for pain relief here in the U.S. This hits close to home, being myself a person of Latin descent, and I also know there's comfort in a familiar product, and we're pleased to offer Hispanics with just that, this Aspirina brand, a brand that families essentially grew up with.
What role do accessible options like over-the-counter medicine play in overall self-care, especially to demographics who have barriers in reaching that medical care?
So that's a really good question. So we know that accessing healthcare can be challenging for some, and that's why self-care is so important to overall health. We have data that shows that the Hispanic population experience accessibility challenges. So for them to have these over-the-counter health options like Aspirina for pain relief is very important. As an NSAID, which stands for non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, it provides both fast and effective multi-symptom relief of headaches, muscle pain, toothaches, menstrual pain, and minor arthritis pain for both adults and children over the age of 12 when used as directed.
What kind of feedback have you had from people who are familiar with the brand, familiar with this product, and are so happy to see it available here in the U.S.?
You know, it's only positive feedback, my family included. It's great for them to have a product that is familiar, that is accessible, that is effective, that is backed by science. So we're really, really proud as a company to be able to offer this to this undeserved community.
Is there anything else you'd like our viewers to know, Dr. Serrano, and where can they go for more information on this?
Yeah, so if they want to learn more, please visit bayeraspirin.com. And, you know, the product is available in the U.S. for purchase at select Walgreens and Walmart locations.
Dr. Serrano, thank you so much for your time this morning.
Thank you.
For more information, just visit bayeraspirin.com.